Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen mode to turn on Redmi Note 15. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, click power button and volume up button at the time. You will see restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. So if it not solved, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on More Connectivity option. After click on More Connectivity option, scroll down and click on Reset Settings. After click on Reset Setting, enter your phone PIN, click on Next and click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So you will check your problem is solved, but if it's still not solved, again click on Settings app. Click on this first option, About Phone. After click on About Phone, click on Factory Reset and erase all data. After click on Erase all data, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen want to turn on Redmi Note 15. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.